How to verify the number in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify the number in Shopee. First of all, open up the Shopee website in the web browser. Make sure you log in to your Shopee account. After that, click on your account name from the top right corner. It will show you the drop-down menu. From the menu, go into your account. Then, you will find your profile details here. Now, to verify your phone number, click on the Add button beside the phone number. After that, enter your phone number and hit the Next button. Then you will receive a verification code on your phone number. Enter the code right here. Your phone number will be verified successfully. So that is how you can verify the number in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.